Hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to study acid, base, and salt substance. Okay. So acidic substance nature is they are sour in taste and they provide H plus ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means water solution. And how do we decide if the following substance is acidic or not? So following are the test. Most common and most famous one is litmus test. Okay, litmus test. In litmus test, what happen? It turns blue litmus paper into red, blue to red. Remember this. You can remember it by alphabetically. It will convert blue into red. B comes early in alphabet, then comes R. So acid remember blue to red. Base, in base what happen? Opposite of it will happen obviously. Then in methyl orange test, it convert methyl orange color into red. Then phenolphthalein test. Phenolphthalein is basically colorless in nature and it remains colorless when mixing with acidic substance. Okay, so these are the tests. Then use of acid. So in foods, acid is found in food. So which acid is found in which food? Direct one liner comes. So remember these three because these three are the unique name and these are common. So you can solve all these, but you have to remember this ki apple content malic acid. There is no logic. Just remember ki apple contains malic acid. Fats contain stearic acid and red ants bite provide formic acid. So you have to remember these three. These are easy ones. Lemons and orange gives citric acid. That's why they are called citric fruits. Then butter contain butyric acid. B for butter, B say butyric acid. Then milk contain lactic acid. Obviously lactometer, lactating mother. So lacto word is related to milk. So milk contain lactic acid. Then tamarind contain tartaric acid. And grapes is also the one of the most important source for tartaric acid. So you have to remember tamarind with grapes. Okay. Then in food, vinegar contain acidic acid. Then tomato, oxalic acid, carbonated drinks, obviously carbonic acid. That's why these carbonated drinks, Pepsi, Coke, etc. helps in digestion because it contains carbonic acid. So these all are easy one. These three you have to remember ki apple contains malic acid, fats contain stearic acid and red ants bite contain formic acid. These three you have to remember. Other common acidic substance are HCl. So hydrochloric acid. So obviously in digestive system we have studied HCl help in digestion. Then it is also used in leather tanning industry, dyeing and textile industry. Just focus on highlighted part. Ki it helps in manufacturing of gelatin from bones. From bones, after cleaning the bones we get the gelatin which is later used in making of utensil. Okay, so manufacturing of gelatin from bones. Then nitric acid, HNO3, most important acidic rain. Ki acidic rain contain nitric acid. First rain of the year contain nitric acid. Okay, acidic in nature. That's why it harms buildings and human body also. Okay, and nitric acid is also found in TNT bomb, TNT and fertilizers. Then sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid are used in battery, in lead battery, car battery. Other use are common use fertilizers, drugs, HCl, alum manufacturing. Then phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is mostly phosphate fertilizer, phosphate. Then its calcium salt make bones. Okay, calcium phosphate create bones. Okay, just focus on the highlighted part. Then after phosphoric acid, also phosphoric acid helps in providing energy in body chemical reaction. Then comes the base. Base test or litmus test obviously turn red into blue. Okay, reverse of acid. Then methyl orange. Methyl orange is converted into yellow. In acid they are converted into red. In base they are converted into yellow. In phenolphthalein test they are converted into colorless to pink in color. And most common is magnesium hydroxide base. It is used as anti-acid. Anti-acid means if your body has more acid and you are feeling pain, then you take magnesium hydroxide. They will neutralize the acid and you will feel less pain. Okay, after mixing acid and base we get salt plus water. Okay, most common example of it is acid plus base equal to salt, HCl plus NaOH. HCl is acid and when mixed with base sodium hydroxide it gives the salt sodium chloride. and water. So whenever we mix acid and base, we get salt and water. So most common salt are obviously sodium chloride used in food. Then sodium iodate, iodine means thyroid. Thyroid means it will help in goiter disease, goiter disease prevention, goiter disease prevention. Then sodium carbonate is used in washing soda, NaCO3. Okay, then calcium chloride, dehydrating agent to remove moisture from gas. Focusing on highlighted part, plaster of Paris. It is also a salt, calcium sulfate, CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. Calcium sulfate and two molecules of water. It is plaster of Paris. So they can directly ask you the chemical equation of plaster of Paris. So calcium sulfate. Then bleaching powder, obviously everybody knows. Then alum. Alum is also a salt. Potassium aluminum sulfate. It is used as antiseptic after shave and water purification. This is unique in name, this salt. You have to remember this chemical formula. What is the chemical formula of alum? So potassium aluminum sulfate. In BPSC prelim they will ask these kind of questions only. Okay, no logic, just they will ask any question. Plaster of Paris chemical formula, alum formula, sorry. Then ये कि apple contains which kind of acid, तो malic acid. Fats contains which kind of acid, तो stearic acid. Then okay, these are the questions they will ask, so we have to focus on the highlighted part only. Okay, fats contain stearic acid, red ants contain formic acid. After acid, base and salt testing our tongue, this was the question in 66th BPSC, कि which part of the tongue gives you the taste of which kind of. So just look at this image, your tongue's front part gives you the sensation of sweetness, these parts gives you the sensation of sour, and bitter part, posterior part, that means back part of tongue gives you the bitter sense, and boundary of it gives you salty nature. To remember, focus on this image. Okay, they have asked the bitterness in previous exams, so they can ask these also. Okay, that's all. We will meet in next video. Okay, one important thing, ki pH value. How pH value? There is a pH value, pH value, pH scale basically. So pH scale, this range from 0 to 14 and 7, its midpoint has no acidic and no basic nature, it's neutral. And how pH value is formed? The formula of it is minus log 10 H plus. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration decides ki if the following substance is acidic or not. Okay, so this is the formula. This part acidic, this part basic. Okay, so 0 will be the most acidic, 1 will be the most acidic, 14 will be the more basic. If you move here to here, then acidic nature increases. If you move here to 14, then basic nature increases. So minus log 10 H plus. Okay, they can give you the H plus ion concentration, and then you have to find the pH value. If they will say ki this solution contain 10 to the power minus 2 H plus ion concentration, so what will be the pH value? So it's simple. According to the formula, what will happen? Minus log base 10 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, if you have the basic knowledge of log, then it is easy, ki minus 2 will come this side, so minus minus plus. So 2 is the pH value. Okay, so pH scale, pH value, remember on this. If you don't have the knowledge of log, so just have the basic knowledge about logarithm. Okay, focus on this image and focus on the highlighted parts, especially apple content malic acid, fats contain stearic acid, and formic acid is found in red ants. Okay, and magnesium hydroxide, which is a base, is used as an anti-acid, opposite of acid. That's all. We will meet in next video. Thanks, bye bye, and take care.